Hi, this is Dave Van Gorder with BonnieBuysHousesFast.com, and right behind us is a little house that I shared with you several months ago. It's a probate house that we bought, and this little cottage came with it, and the cottage was dilapidated. Raccoons lived in it, and it was just a block shell, and it was that way for 40 years. So I'm going to take you on a little tour and show you what we're doing, and we've progressed, and we're turning this into a rental property. So let's take a little tour, and I'll give you a little insight into the house very quickly. And I'll take these sunglasses off since the sun's not in my eyes anymore. So there we go. So there you go. There's the concrete pad that we put in and the stepway going into the house. There's the front door, and there's the side of the house. It's pretty beat up. That's all going to be re-stuccoed and painted, so it'll look better when we're done. We've got a door on it now, front door. When we bought this house, it had no roof, this little house. So here's the inside. You can see we're working on it. It's all been drywalled. Here's the bathroom. There's where the vanity is going to be. Toilet and a little shower. And over there is the water heater. And then this would be the kitchen over here. Of course, there's no kitchen there now. There's a bunch of drywall, but that's where the kitchen's going to be. And then this will be a one-room apartment with a bedroom, actually two-room apartment. And there's the little bedroom. And so now we've got a little efficiency apartment that we're going to turn this into. And